Sanju Bhagat was born in Nagpur, India, in 1963. He had a normal life until his late 20s when his abdomen began to protrude as if he was pregnant. It kept increasing until he couldn't carry out his daily activities. Things got out of hand in 1999 when his breathing almost stopped due to his extremely enlarged abdomen, which didn't give his chest room to take in air. He was rushed to the hospital. At the hospital, the doctors believed he had a massive tumor growing inside of him and worked him up for surgery. To their utter amazement, when they opened him up, they saw a baby in his stomach. It appeared Sanju didn't have a tumor, he had his unborn brother growing inside of him for more than 35 years. In medical terms, this was a rare case of fetus in fetu. Basically, what happens is that one twin doesn't fully separate from the other during development, and ends up growing inside of the other twin's body. The twin that's growing inside is usually very small and undeveloped, and is called a parasitic twin.